By default, RMAN creates backup sets. What is RMAN consistent backup and inconsistent backup? A consistent backup occurs when the database is in a consistent state. That means backup of the database taken after shutdown immediate, shutdown normal, or shutdown transactional. If the database is shut down with abort option, then it's not a consistent backup. A backup taken when the database is up and running is called an inconsistent backup. When a database is restored from an inconsistent backup, Oracle must perform media recovery before the database can be opened, applying any pending changes from the redo logs. You cannot take an inconsistent backup when the database is in archivolog mode. Can I take RMAN backup when the database is down? No. You can take RMAN backup only when the target database is open or in mount stage. It's because RMAN keeps the backup metadata in control file. Only an open or mount mode control file is accessible. Do I need to place the database in begin backup mode while taking RMAN inconsistent backup? RMAN does not rewire extra logging or backup mode because it knows the format of data blocks. RMAN is guaranteed not to back up fractured blocks. No extra redo is generated during RMAN backup. Can I compress RMAN backups? RMAN supports binary compression of backup sets. The supported algorithms are BZIP2, default, and ZLIB. It's not recommended to compress the RMAN backup using any other OS or third-party utility. Note, RMAN compressed backup with BZIP2 provides great compression but is CPU intensive. Using ZLIB compression rewires the Oracle Database 11G advanced compression option and is only supported with an 11G database. The feature is not backward compatible with 10G databases. Can I encrypt RMAN backup? RMAN supports backup encryption for backup sets. You can use wallet-based transparent encryption, password-based encryption, or both. You can use the configure encryption command to configure persistent transparent encryption. Use the set encryption command at the RMAN session level to specify password-based encryption. Miscellaneous. Can RMAN take backup to tape? Yes. You can use RMAN for the tape backup. But RMAN cannot able to write directly to tape. You need to have third-party media management software installed. Oracle has published an API specification which media management vendors who are members of Oracle's Backup Solutions Partner Program have access to. Media management vendors, MMVs, then write an interface library which the Oracle server uses to write and read to and from tape. How RMAN interact with Media Manager? Before performing a backup or restore to a media manager, you must allocate one or more channels or configure default channels for use with the media manager to handle the communication with the media manager. RMAN does not issue specific commands to load, label, or unload tapes. When backing up, RMAN gives the media manager a stream of bytes and associates a union name with this stream. When RMAN needs to restore the backup, it asks the media manager to retrieve the byte stream. All details of how and where that stream is stored are handled entirely by the media manager. What is proxy copy backup to tape? A proxy copy is a functionality supported by a few media manager in which they handle the entire data movement between data files and the backup devices. Such products may use technologies such as high-speed connections between storage and media subsystems to reduce the load on the primary database server. RMAN provides a list of files rewiring backup or restore to the media manager, which in turn makes all decisions regarding how and when to move the data. What is Oracle Secure Backup? Oracle Secure Backup is a media manager provided by Oracle that provides reliable and secure data protection through file system backup to tape. All major tape drives and tape libraries in SAN, Gigabit Ethernet, and SCSI environments are supported. Why do you open the database in Open Reset Log mode? When you open the database with the Reset Logs option, the database performs the following actions. Archives the current online redo logs, if they are accessible, and then erases the contents of the online redo logs and resets the log sequence number to